Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Start with a strong character build by selecting a race and standing stone that align with your preferred combat or magic style. Don't rush the main quest. Instead, immerse yourself in the expansive world, uncovering countless side quests and unique encounters. Prioritize leveling up 2 or 3 primary skills to become truly powerful in your chosen path, rather than trying to master everything at once. When building your character, decide early on if you prefer close-quarters combat with a sword and shield, devastating two-handed weapons, precise archery, or powerful spells. Allocate your perk points strategically into the skill trees that support your chosen playstyle. For example, a stealth archer can become incredibly effective by focusing on both archery and sneak perks, allowing for silent, long-range eliminations. Skyrim's world is brimming with stories. Talk to everyone you meet. Many will offer quests or valuable information. Venture into the hundreds of dungeons and caves scattered across the land, where you'll face formidable foes and find rare treasures. Joining a guild, such as the Thieves' Guild or the Dark Brotherhood, provides distinct quest lines and opportunities to hone specific skills, adding dozens of hours of gameplay. Combat in Skyrim requires more than just mashing buttons. Learn to use your dragon shout strategically. For instance, unrelenting force can stagger multiple enemies. Practice blocking with a shield or weapon, and dodge power attacks to avoid heavy damage. Don't forget the power of crafting. Smithing and enchanting your equipment can increase your armor rating by hundreds and weapon damage by dozens, making you a true force to be reckoned with.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.